Hello, I'm Colin Sprigg, Director of Information and Technology, here to give you an orientation to ABC's online learning at home program that begins on Thursday, March 19th. We're excited to support your students' transition from learning in our classrooms to learning in your home. All of us have been pushed up against time trying to provide ABC students the very best in ongoing instruction in the face of school closures. Let me begin by stating that the grace of flexibility in all directions should be the norm for everyone at this time. Your students' transition from the classroom to the home is a journey for all of us, and your students will have the full support of your teachers, school administration, and the entire district office staff. We will meet students and families where they are and be there to support the transition from learning at school to learning at home. Based on significant input from our teachers, our teacher union partners, the IT department, the superintendent's cabinet, and more, we have crafted a collective plan for the ABC Online Learning at Home program. Over the last 5 years, ABC has made an extraordinary investment into classroom technology, infrastructure, one-to-one devices, powerful teacher training models, and technical support at all schools. ABC students as a whole have a lot of experience with online learning technology in our ABC classrooms. Be encouraged that ABC is in the right position to attempt an online learning at home program with your students during these extraordinary times. So let's get started. First, all students must have internet service at home, an internet-enabled computer device, and an ABC Google student account for classroom activities. Our recent student survey indicates that approximately 5% of ABC students require internet at home service and a computer. Students without internet service and or without a computer at home will be provided these resources on Wednesday, March 18th and Thursday, March 19th from the hour of 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. at every ABC school's designated pickup area. With all ABC students with internet service at home, we move to another vital technology ingredient that connects ABC students to their teachers online, Google Classroom. This is what Google Classroom helps students do online with their teachers. 1. Students receive teacher assignments online. 2. Students communicate with their teacher online. 3. Collaboration occurs between students online. 4. Students will use productivity tools such as writing, spreadsheets, presentations, and research. 5. Students turn work in online. 6. Teachers grade and return student work. And 7. Student email summary reports are sent to parents. Today, Google Classroom is used regularly in ABC school classrooms. Recent teacher survey data indicates that 63% of ABC teachers reported feeling very well versed with Google Classroom. The survey also indicated that about 14% of teachers said they would need assistance. They've never used it. and 23% stated, "I'm somewhat comfortable. I've created a classroom, but I don't use it often." This week, ABC teachers have been attending a variety of online teaching sessions in preparation to teach your students online. We are providing leveled training that ranges from experienced teacher users to new teacher users. We're going to cover all the bases. The training presenters are from the best of the best in ABC, and our teachers are in good hands. The technology department in ABC has many powerful structures to support teachers and students. For example, each ABC school is led by a teacher leader who specializes in supporting their peers with technology. Their close relationships with school staff remain intact during online learning at home to provide timely assistance to their peers. In addition, the technology department has an expert team of technical assistants that naturally walk in and out of ABC classrooms to support all teachers. This relationship will naturally occur during any period of online learning at home. ABC's technical assistants are all Google certified and represent the highest set of skills and abilities within the Google environment. They're standing by online to share their knowledge and support with our teachers and your students. Should an ABC student or parent require any level of support at home for ABC's online learning at home program, please visit our OLA website and click on the support page where you will find the OLA Technical Support Call Center phone number 562-229-7929. Our call center will be open from 8:30 to 4 p.m. on each official day of ABC's online learning at home program. You will be pleased to know that a Google certified ABC technical assistant is standing by to answer your technical questions. I'd like to make you aware of a practice called asynchronous teaching and learning. This means that a teacher and his or her students are not all online at the same time during the day. A teacher might post a student assignment, yet students may access that assignment on their own time during the day. Students may post questions to their teachers, and yet teachers will answer those questions at some point during the day, or maybe during their posted online office hours. Teachers are encouraged to let their students know when they will hold online office hours, where students can expect to find their teachers available online to provide support. We have published these considerations for online learning at home guidelines. Online assignments will be safe for home, asynchronous, and not too difficult for students to complete. Assignments do not have to require a student to sit in front of their computer screens all day. Teachers may be working with their grade level and department teammates for peer support, efficiencies in planning, and opportunities to co-teach online classes. Assignment guidelines have been suggested to ABC teachers that help guide how many assignments per day or the length of time an assignment should be expected to take, laid out by grade level. These are suggestions, not requirements, and our teachers are working on this right now. Students and teachers will communicate with each other using online Google communication tools such as chat, email, messaging, and more. Video conferencing for students is turned off at this time, as we explore best practice and work out our policies for the future. Teachers will be checking for email notifications, as should your students throughout the day. Lastly, a variety of additional home supports and resources are available to support your effort with online learning at home. Your students' login credentials to all the apps we have on record will soon be emailed to each student's ABC account and uploaded to the parent accounts within the ABC Parent Portal. A new teacher app called Aries Communications will be introduced to teachers this week. The app allows for two-way texting, email, and phone calls automatically translated in all languages between each teacher and their assigned students and families. This is a new app, optional for teachers, but expect to see its powerful use grow over time. The district will maintain a set of virtual substitutes in the event an ABC teacher is out sick and unable to interact with their Google Classroom. The Human Resources Department will communicate with the IT department when this need presents itself. Teachers have options when working with students that range from full use of the online environment to using online content providers to tapping into pre-made lessons from the curriculum department. Should a teacher or student's regular use of the Google Classroom become inaccessible or not workable for any number of reasons, alternate approaches to online learning at home have been thoughtfully prepared by the Academic Services curriculum teams. As you can see, we are building flexibility, support structures, and powerful technology options into ABC's online learning at home program to ensure your students' continued success at home during this unprecedented time. I want to thank you for your patience, your partnership, and walking with us as we both enter this journey of learning at home. We are in this together. We'll see you online.